Never worrying about a dead controller again with this guide on charging your PS5 DualSense in rest mode. First, we'll navigate to the settings menu from the PS5 home screen. Use your DualSense controller to move the cursor to the cogwheel icon in the top right corner and press the X button. Once in settings, select system using the X button. Inside the system menu, we are looking for power saving. Select it now with the X button. Under power saving, find the features available in rest mode option and select it now. You will see several settings. We're focused on the supply power to USB ports setting. Select supply power to USB ports. From there, you have options available. Typically always is ideal, ensuring your controller charges whenever connected. Even in rest mode, select always using the X button. Back out of the features available in rest mode and go to rest mode simply by pressing and holding the power button on your console. That's it. Your DualSense will now charge while your PS5 is in rest mode. Now you can return to your game without stopping the fun to charge your controller.